I swear when my hair is straight, I don't know what to do with it because it's just so flat. So we're just gonna leave it like this. If it looks silly, then I'm sorry, but otherwise, hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna take you guys through my day with me. I have a few errands to do, and I have some friends, as you can see on my face. They're gonna tag along with us. They just popped up like 2 days ago, and they are just clearly here to stay. Their home is my face now, which is great. Okay, I mean, it's not great, obviously, but like on top of me already being pale, like my face is so white, and now I have these pimples. I'm just like, what the heck? I am so freaking glad Alan and I are going away in a few weeks because I will get my tan back, first of all, and second of all, whenever you're in the sun, it always burns your acne, so I'm so excited for that. Today has just not been my day. I already cried this morning, which we're not gonna get into, but now I just went to put you guys on my tripod and I broke it. So like, as you can see, it's on an angle because I just broke this one. As you can see, I don't know how I accidentally stepped on it and now it doesn't stand up properly. It just leans forward. So I'm so pissed off. So now I just have to unclip it all and I'm just gonna toss it in the garbage. It's honestly a little bit annoying because now I need to use this obnoxiously large tripod just to show you guys my skincare. So we're just gonna ignore this whole thing going on right here because usually with that other tripod I put it here, but with this one I can't do it. It is like 12:45 right now and I went to the gym this morning. I did some work this morning and I just got out of the shower, and then I did a little bit of a cry just because honestly I'm going through it and like there's a lot of changes in my life and just things that are like hella stressful right now, and I just needed to cry. And then I took a body shower and now we're gonna do my skincare before we get into all of the things I need to do. Whoop! That was loud, sorry. I just spilled that everywhere. First, we're going in with the Glow Recipe Pore and Tight Toner. Glow Recipe actually had like a pop-up here in Toronto like 2 weeks ago, I think, and I really wanted to go, but I just could not find the time to, and honestly it was kind of a mission because it was like downtown Toronto or like far in the east end of Toronto, and it's just like too much for me to get there. Then I'm going in with their hyaluronic serum. I put on this like orange outfit. It's actually from Amazon, so as you can see it's a long sleeve and then it's like pants, and it's so comfortable. I am so bloated right now, like I'm not even joking guys, like look at this. I think that time of the month is coming. I literally look like I'm 3 months pregnant, and don't worry, I'm not. I would literally tell you guys, but it's just the bloat is real. So I'm like, okay, I need to wear something comfortable. Now I'm going in with the moisturizer, which is almost done. So I think I'm actually gonna go pick some more up today. I'm planning to make a little trip to the mall to go to Sephora. Some Grace and Stella eye cream because the bags under your girl's eyes are forever terrible. I actually cannot get over this pimple. This one especially, like it is so bad. Last night in bed, my husband literally like rolled over and he was like, you have a couple pimples on your face. And I was like, thanks. Like I didn't know that already. Next, one of the best smelling perfume mist ever is the Brazilian Crush 62 from Sol de Janeiro. It's pistachio and salted caramel. Oh my god, it just smells so good. Now I'm just gonna pack up quickly these clothes that I'm gonna try and sell at Plato's. So we have a pile of dresses, we have jeans and like dress pants there. I have 2 jean jackets I want to sell, some gym clothes, and then I have some like nice sweaters and shirts. So I just got to Plato's closet. I just kind of had to park a little bit far away. I'm like more in front of this like Food Basics over here. It's like back there, so I have to walk a little bit. But oh my god, when I was driving here I was listening to the radio, and I think it's Kiss 92.5. They are doing this thing right now where it's called needy or greedy. So I think you have to like text a word to the number that they say, and then they randomly call somebody, and then basically what it is you say if you're needy or greedy. So if you're needy, they automatically give you $92, but if you're greedy, then you try and guess their jackpot, and then if you get it wrong, like they'll tell you it's higher or lower than that. And they're doing it every hour, so like as people get wrong answers, you kind of get more clarification as like what the number kind of is, or like relatively what it is. And if you guess the number correctly, then you win that amount. The girl was like sick in bed, like she sounded terrible, and she was like, yeah, I've been listening because I'm just like in bed. So she's like, I want to be greedy and I want to guess. So she guessed $909 and she was friggin' right. I can't believe it. So she was like, oh my god, this is gonna make me feel so much better, like thank god I'm sick. And she's like, when I'm feeling better, I'm gonna use this money and go on vacation. It was like really funny. I was like, you go girl. But anyways, we're gonna go into to Plato's right now and see what they do. Every time I come here, they give me like nothing for my nice ass clothes. So let's go find out. Back up here a little bit. Back in the car, they pretty much almost gave me a full bag back, but they did buy all of my gym clothes. They bought one nice shirt from Aritzia and they bought one dress from Aritzia, and I got $62.45. So honestly, whatever, it is what it is. At least I got something. A lot of this stuff has kind of just been like sitting in this bag in my room, in my closet for like ever, and I've been meaning to get rid of it. Usually I'll post stuff on like Instagram, and if people don't want it, then I'll resort to Plato's, and then if they don't want it, then I'll go donate it. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do with this stuff now. Now I am going to drive myself to the mall because we're gonna go to Sephora quickly. Okay, well, that was a friggin' zoo in there. I didn't even know this, but they're having like a drunk elephant event. So if you spend $75, you get a free gift. I was literally only going in there with the intention to buy one thing, and I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't even know, 5 or 6 things. 2 of them were gifts. I swear to God, Sephora is so deadly. It's like Costco. You go in there for one thing and you come out spending like a bajillion dollars. So I went in there for my Glow Recipe moisturizer. I told you guys this morning I was running out and I needed to pick it up. And then because they were having the drunk elephant thing, I was gonna buy the bronzing drops because they had so much of it, but I still have like a lot in mine. So I ended up buying an eye cream just because I'm running out of the one I'm currently using. So I was talking to one of the employees and they had like 3 different types, and this was the one that she kind of recommended just because I was saying like I wanted something like that brightened. I wanted something, you know, because I'm getting older, I'm kind of getting wrinkles, as well as like the bags under my eyes and that kind of stuff. So she recommended, this girl's literally gonna hit my car. What is she doing? People in parking lots are crazy. Anyways, so she recommended the C Tango multivitamin eye cream. I've also been wanting to buy brown mascara because I have like really green hazel eyes, especially when it's like bright outside and the weather's nice and that type of stuff. So it's been on my list. It wasn't really a need, it was more of a want, but I found the one from Too Faced and it was only 30 bucks, so I'm gonna give that one a try. And then also on my list, again, it was more of a want than a need because I still have a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury like eyebrow thing gel, I think it's called, where it like holds your eyebrows in place, but it's almost done and I've been wanting to try the Rare Beauty one. So they had like a miniature version when I was like in the line to check out, so I was like, fine, I'll pick that up. And then I actually got 2 gifts. So I got the one free gift for the drunk elephant event. I got, I don't even know what it is, I guess it's a retinol, a glowy maratinol oil. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. And then I wanted to shoot my shot and I said to the girl, hey, like, look, I didn't buy anything in January when it was my birthday. Is there a chance I can claim a birthday gift? And she was like, yeah, sure. And I was like, okay. It's like almost a month and a half later, but that's cool. So she gave me this Youth to People skincare. I don't know what it is exactly. She didn't give me a bag, and I kind of wish she did because everything doesn't fit in my little Muscle Nation backpack, so it's fine. I'm not gonna complain. I also did see my friend Lydia. She works in the mall here, so I stopped by and I said hi, and now we're gonna go home. Oh my, I'm so tired. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I came home and I went for a nice long walk with Kobe because it's actually so nice out. It's like 12 degrees, which is crazy, and that's because spring is literally right here. I'm so excited, but I don't know if you guys can see, I took my headband off because it was kind of giving me a headache and there's like a line still. But anyways, when I got in from walking Kobe, the security guard had a package for me, and it's actually so funny because it's literally the same color as my outfit. Like, how actual crazy is that? But this is my spring Fab Fit Fun box of the year. I honestly think I missed the customizations this time around. I don't know. I think I had to make them when I was maybe on my cruise or something. I could be wrong. Okay, so first things first, I got the new NUE Co. It is shampoo and conditioner. I'm pretty particular when it comes to my shampoo. I really love the Herbal Essence Coconut, so I'm gonna have to see how that goes. The next thing I got is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I actually do have these. I don't use them often, but they are really good for sensitive skin, which I do have. I'm not sure what this little thing is. Oh my god, you're kidding me. I literally just bought an eye cream from Sephora and I got an eye cream. Go figures. So this is from Earth Harbor. It is Aqua Aura. I guess maybe that's like the flavor, but the smell's a bit weird. I don't even know what it smells like. Almost like tea tree oil, maybe? Like, does this have tea tree oil in it? Oh, okay, it's seaweed collagen and blue tansy. That's probably that smell that I'm getting. Then I got, what is this? Pure Greek olive shower gel olive blossom. Yeah, I definitely did not choose my customizations for this. That sucks because I really like choosing stuff that I actually want or need. Ooh, that smells good actually. And then ocean cleanser. What is this? Wakes up your skin and senses. The seaweed infused gel cleanser removes everything from surface impurities to excess oils. And then I think this is the last thing, some sort of bag. Let's open it up and take a look. Is it like a tote bag or what is this? Oh, it's like a little backpack. This is kind of cute. Like, could be like a little travel backpack. It has a side handle so you can also wear it as a tote, but then it has like the straps, you can wear it as a backpack. That was pretty much everything. It doesn't seem like a lot. It's all like skincare and hair care stuff, which I don't mind, but like I have my heart set on those types of things already, so maybe I'll try them. Maybe I'll just gift these things. We'll see. So I decided I am going to sell the books that I've read so far since starting like my reading journey, just because they're starting to pile up. And one, I live in a condo and I just don't have the room to keep them, but two, I don't know, like to me, I don't really understand why people keep them. Like, I don't plan on reading a book more than once. I don't know, like I don't see it happening. So I mean, I guess I do understand people like to read books like over and over again, but just like having bookshelves and walls of just books, like to me, it just feels chaotic in my brain. So I'm gonna get rid of them. I quickly wanted to show you guys all of the ones I'm trying to get rid of. I just put them up for $10 each. Each book was like $25, $30. So I'm just trying to make some money back to go towards future books. But it ends with us and it starts with us. Colleen Hoover. Most of these are Colleen Hoover. Verity. This is so good. You need to read this if you haven't. Too Late. And then my most recent one that I finished was Confess. This one was like, nah, I was like, it wasn't anything special to me. Icebreaker was really good. This was the first like off Colleen Hoover author that I read. This is by Hannah Grace. This was really good. And then, excuse me, Atomic Habits, finished that. So now I'm gonna try and get rid of them. Hopefully I'll make, what is this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70 to go towards future books. The husband literally just walked in 10 minutes ago from work and he just got a call that he needs to go back out because he's on call. So after work hours for the entire week, if there's like an emergency or something, he needs to go, so he has to go back out. So I am just gonna make a lazy girl dinner just because he's leaving and I'm just like so tired. And by lazy girl dinner, I mean something that is just like super simple to make. Doesn't take much effort from me, not much cleaning. I'm literally just gonna pop a few things here and there and call it a dinner. I have this beef pot roast that I bought from Milongo, so I think I'm gonna make this. It's pretty much like it's already fully cooked. I just need to take it out and just like reheat it for I think 20-ish minutes. So simple, just put it in the oven. And then I am just going to make some rice with that. This literally saves my life. Having a rice cooker is the best thing I ever bought from Amazon. I use this like once or twice a week at least. Put the rice and some water in, 1-to-1 ratio, and then I have it on cook, and it's gonna take like 10 or 15 minutes. Everything is almost done, so now I'm just gonna make a quick little salad just to get some veggies in. So I have the spring and spinach mix, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that. I also have some of this lettuce still left over, so I'm gonna toss that in also. Some tomatoes and some cucumber. Lazy girl dinner is done. So I have my jasmine rice, I have some of the beef pot roast, and then my salad that I just topped with Olive Garden light Italian dressing. I bought it when I went to Buffalo, and this is my dinner for tonight. Super simple and easy to make, like literally the definition of lazy. All I did was cut up a couple vegetables. I'm leaving the rice on warm so that it could just stay warm for when Alan gets home. I don't think I want to put the beef roast in the oven because I don't want it to overcook, so I just put the lid back on, and then I'll probably just warm it up when he gets home. It's 9:30 right now, and I just pulled these bad boys out of the oven. Sorry, just gonna turn the fan off. I made some mini egg cookies and then some score ones. My first batch was score because the hubby was really craving them, and then I had one left over, and then I did some mini eggs for myself. Literally just took these out. They're so hot. Oh my god. This little guy is so funny because he thinks he's getting something. You can't have the cookies. You can't have the cookies. Oh my god, you're so cute. You gonna tell them goodnight? We're gonna go to bed. Oh my god, this lighting in my house is horrible. I can't even be bothered, but I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna have these cookies in bed, and I am just gonna watch Suits for probably another like hour. I don't know where the best lighting is, probably this. But like I was saying, I'm gonna watch Suits for probably like another hour because I'm kind of tired. Maybe just one more episode, and then I'll read for a bit, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe to me down below and give this a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.